So if you want to learn the muscle up and you don't have access to any equipment and you don't want to use any equipment because you like the raw strength training element, then this video is for you. So first off, let's start with the mistake that you're probably making. So you're probably able to do pull-ups like this with your chin above the bar, and then you expect to be able to do the muscle up because of that. But what you need to realize is that your entire body needs to go over the bar when you're doing the muscle up. So you need to pull to your lower chest at the bare minimum so that you can do that. So a good exercise is to actually use your knees to get some momentum and get rid of the bad habit of pulling your chin over the bar, which is good for pull-ups but not so good for muscle-ups. Next up, you want to find a bar that is just above head height, and then with both arms grip the bar and jump on top of the bar and then come back down. So this is basically going to be called a jumping muscle up. And initially you'll just jump up, clear the bar, and then come back down at the same speed. And this is going to basically train your technique and your body system basically for pushing and pulling all in one movement. And then once you get better at this, what you can do is the same thing at the start, but then as you come down, catch yourself nice and slowly at the bottom and land as softly as possible. Your goal is to land without making any noise with your feet, so you don't want to hear like a thud when you come down. You want to come down nice and controlled. And this is just a quick tip, don't make this mistake. As you can see, this bar is only up to my hips, which is extremely low, and it's not going to force me to learn the muscle up. With that being said, let's get back to this progression. So what you can do once you get even stronger is actually do the same movement but with only one leg assisting you. So you can jump up and over the bar using only one leg, which will make your upper body come to action even more. And that's basically a really good progression. You can then switch legs as well, and you're basically using more upper body strength. You can also, here's just a quick comparison, just simply go to a higher bar. This one is a bit of an easier way to do it because you're not actually using your legs and changing the resistance via your legs. You're just basically just going to get a higher bar and jump again with both legs. So that could be another way you could do it. And then here's even higher. I'm in a different section of the park here. This is almost like a regular muscle up. I can barely use any assistance here. So yeah, pretty much just go higher and higher, and then eventually you'll just do a regular muscle up, and yeah, you would have deserved it because you done all the progressions. So a quick tip is, if you cannot do the dipping part of the muscle up, start here with straight bar dips. And as you can see, I'm dipping up from my upper abs at the bottom, but then as you get stronger, you want to bring your lower chest to the bottom. And the reason for this is because when you pull over the bar in the muscle up, you're actually going to end up dipping out from this position here. So start off with a bit of a less exaggerated range of motion, and then improve your range of motion as you get stronger. So this is just a different angle. So if you take the top of the muscle up, it looks exactly as these dips do here. So what I'm doing is I'm basically training my ability to push out from a deep dip range of motion. And that's pretty much it. If you learn something new and you're going to use these tips, then make sure to like this video and subscribe for more future tips and calisthenics videos.